Meanwhile, presidential spokesperson Salvador Panelo urged Maria Ressa to face her cyber libel case instead of accusing the government of abuse of power. According to Secretary Panelo, it is Ressa who is abusing her power as a journalist. Again, here's Daniel Manalastas.
Now you say, there is an abuse of power. Excuse me, Maria, abuse of power? You are the one abusing your power as a journalist. You're marshaling your colleagues to support you on the basis of a misplaced and baseless cause.
This was the fierce response by the Malacanang in connects with the allegations thrown by Rappler CEO Maria Ressa on the warrant of arrest issued against her, wherein Ressa assured the government behind those allegations to silence her as a critic of President Rodrigo Duterte. One by one, presidential spokesperson Salvador Panelo tried to disprove all Ressa's allegations. First on the list, the alleged irregularities of her case.
Let me tell you, Maria, that the case filed against you was in accordance with law. This is not a case of freedom of expression, as you claim. It is a case of one man, in the person of the complainant, asserting his right under the law for a perceived violation of his right. That is why he filed a case against you.
The palace also denied Ressa's allegations she'd been deprived of the rule of law. Malacanang said that her case was duly processed in accordance with court procedure, from filing of case to preliminary investigation and determination of probable cause. But the judge has found probable cause to indict Ressa. Ressa also accused the government of delaying the service of the arrest warrant up until the court's closing time of 5 p.m. Panelo explained.
Now she says, no, but I should have been arrested the morning after. Oh, Maria, you want to be treated differently from a class of persons subject to a warrant of arrest just because you are a high-profile journalist? Excuse me, Maria. The law is no respecter of social status. Everyone is equal under the law. Just because you are a high-profile journalist, you want to be treated differently.
The palace sees Maria's case as fault of her lawyers for being careless.
My response was this, I'm going to tell her again. Maria, you cannot blame the court, nor the government, nor this administration, nor the president on the incompetence of your lawyer. Your lawyer should have argued before the court that your case grants you entitlement as a matter of right of bail. The absence of an information sheet is not an excuse not to grant you bail. Moreover, I cannot even understand, Maria, why your lawyers do not have a copy of the information filed against you.
Malacanang, on the other hand, calls the international media and international community to look on the real issue of Ressa's violations to the Constitution before making any judgments. Meanwhile, in a recent statement by Wilfredo Keng, he slammed Ressa for using press freedom as an alibi. He insists this is an isolated case. He reiterated that his case is also not related to government. He will pursue the charges even if the court decides against him. Daniel Manalastas for The Nation.